three of you. I have some very important things to discuss with you three.
Oh. What's all about, sir?
Wait till I tell you, Henry. Just wait and see. I'd say, James, you'd be delighted to take the Red Branch line coaches for Edward.
No, I don't want to take those stupid coaches, only Henry. He's big and pure stern.
Hey, that's not nice.
James, enough is enough. Come on. It's a special job today, remember?
See Sir Topham Hat? Does he have be depressed on me all the time? I mean, come on. Not cool.
Hi James, I can see you're taking my red coaches today.
Oh. Shush, Edward. You don't even have to ask me something.
Pardon.
Okay. Yes, I am taking my coaches.
Are you not in a good mood, James? Or what? There is definitely something wrong with James, I think it is.
Ah, congratulations, Edward. Well done, lad.
Lad. Lad. Who you calling a lad? I'm not a boy. Anyway.
Oh, right. You don't have to be grumpy, Edward.
Oh. I've been there for hours. I'm so darn bored. Oh. I had an idea. I'm going to Tidmouth Sheds. When Sir Topham Head can't find anywhere. Haha. Nobody can't find me anywhere.
James, what the smurf are you doing here? You should be taking the red coaches to Crosby.
Yeah. Henry's right. Where should you be?
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. I hope you subscribe or like on Carson McCann's YouTube channel. And hopefully, I'll see you next time.